What's up, everybody? We're heading into the 4th of July weekend. I hope everybody stays safe and celebrates America responsibly. Okay, on this week's video, we're gonna go through all the steps needed to order a snake off of Morph Market. So stick around, check it out. Before we get started, I want to send a big shout out to Hygeia Royals. I'll put their information below. Be sure to follow them on Instagram. Morph Market is basically the Amazon for reptiles. You shop for the specific animal you want, contact the breeder, and it gets delivered right to your door. Here's a female Orange Dream Phantom double het clown ultramale from Ball Pythons 101 that fits perfectly into my projects. I do like to check their ratings before ordering if I don't know them, and here we can see he has 100% positive rating. I like to keep my inquiries straight and to the point. I've already done my research on the breeder and the animal before I ask for payment information. I personally don't like to do payment plans and prefer to pay in full. I might miss out on an animal if I wait until payday, but honestly there's so much out there that it won't sting if I miss out on something. Bummer I missed out on the snake. Payday's a bloodbath. Snooze, you lose. I want to let you in on my Morph Market saved list. These are all the snakes that have caught my eye. No, I don't plan to buy all of them, but it'll give you some insight on where I'd like my projects to go. The next one I want to inquire about, I've had on my list for a long time. A male pinstripe desert ghost, 66% possible het clown from Fireball Reptiles. Now I've got to say that Jeremy Smith from Fireball Reptiles was a real pleasure to do business with. I got a response back in like 5 minutes and the entire transaction was complete in less than 30. Now the long wait for the FedEx tracking number. I actually prefer pickup at my local FedEx hub. It's less than 5 miles away, and it also means that there's less time spent bouncing around in a truck. Okay guys, it's 9 a.m. and I already got the text that it's ready for pickup, so let's go get that snake. So we just got back from the FedEx facility and here is the snake. Why don't we take a look at how a properly boxed snake looks like. So you will see that on each side of the box there's a hole here, and that will allow the snake to breathe. On the top we have our invoice, we have our address, which I blacked out. Let's go ahead and open it up. So every box snake will have an insulation on it on all sides. Different breeders use different materials in here. Paper is probably the most common one used. This one actually came with an ice pack because it's been really hot all over the United States. So that's good, and it's still cold. And here goes our snake. And there it is. Pinstripe, desert ghost, possible het clown. I could feel it moving in there. Now I do see shredded paper inside, so I'm going to open it in the box so I don't get that all over the place here. Okay, see its head facing this way, so I'm going to grab it from the back side. And there we go. So there we have our pinstripe desert ghost 66% het clown. Now, whenever you have a possible het clown, there's a chance that it's not going to be het clown at all, and that's just a risk that you take. Now, let's take a look at that picture that was included, because I want to make sure that this is the exact snake. So let's look at it right here. Now, looking at the picture provided by the breeder, the snake has a very distinct line across its head, as well as dots on its back. Comparing it with the actual animal, things line up. It's always nice when the snake comes in heavier than the breeder said. Just means it's closer to breeding. So there he is. I'm gonna go ahead and snap a few pictures of him and then place him in his tub. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace, take care guys.